In this video, we'll be looking into summingInt and averagingInt method of collector class. Collectors.summingInt, it returns a collector that constructs sum of the integer valued function applied to the input element. And collectors.averagingInt, it returns a collector that constructs the average of integer valued function applied to the input elements. Now let's look into example of summingInt and averagingInt. Now let's create a new class, and the class name is collector summing averaging example. Now let's create public static void main, and first we'll be calculating sum of years of experience of all instructors. So total of experience of all the instructors which are in our instructor list. So it will return integer sum is equal to instructors dot get all dot stream dot collect and collectors dot summingInt and instructor get years of experience. Now let's print it out. Now let's do the average. So this will calculate average of years of experience of all instructors. So average, integer average is equal to instructors dot get all dot stream and dot collect collectors dot averagingInt and instructor colon get years of experience. Oh, it's complaining because average will return double, so let's make it double. Now let's print it out. And now let's run this program. So average sum is 51 and average is 10.2. So there are also methods which are provided by collector class which are specific to primitive data type like double and long, like summing long and then summing double, and also averaging long and averaging double.